Hello guys and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to add tracks in Adobe Premiere when the original tracks are all full. So let's get started. For example, I have here my project and I have all the tracks here are full, and for example let's sum here, and now all the tracks of the audio and video are full, and I want to add, for example, an image, more image, or some more anything above the original track. You may right click here in this empty area, click right click and click add track. Here is a track that is added, and you also in the audio same thing, click add track. Okay, this is the track settings, click OK, and here you have another track and you can simply change this to this and make this here, and that's it. Very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hope you guys a good day.